Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get started our lesson. So first sentence is you are an utter liar. You are an utter liar. झूठा कहीं का. Second, who will look after to you? Who will look after to you? तुम्हारा कौन ख्याल रखेगा? 3. How long will he stay here? How long will he stay here? वो कितनी देर यहाँ रहेगा? 4. This is out of your league. 4. This is out of your league. तुमसे नहीं होगा ये. 5. A nod to the wise is enough. A nod to the wise is enough. समझदार के लिए इशारा ही काफ़ी है. 6. But who's wise here? But who is wise here? लेकिन यहाँ समझदार कौन है? 7. Everyone else is except you. Everyone else is except you. सब हैं तुम्हारे सिवा. 8. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर 2023. नया साल मुबारक हो 2023. 9. प्लीज़ मस्ट से मी बैक. प्लीज़ मस्ट से मी बैक. बराए मेहरबानी मुझे भी वापस कहना. The last one is 10. I'll wait for your reply. I'll wait for your reply. मैं आपके जवाब का इंतज़ार करूँ. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.